Bam, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to take your bedroom recorded vocals and make them professional and radio quality. That way you don't have to depend on going to a studio or relying on an engineer or anybody else. So I'm gonna show you how you can do it all yourself and still sound professional and make more music. So I'm gonna show you this dry bedroom recorded vocal we got right here.
Baby, welcome to the party. Seeing straight, baby Harley. I'll be sipping on Bacardi.
The first step always is to solo the vocal and make sure you like it. If there's a bunch of kids and stuff in the background of the vocal, I highly suggest re-record it, because you don't even want to move on to making a professional vocal if you don't like the recording. The next thing is you're going to want to say the what. What style of vocal is this? So as an engineer myself, I'm always thinking, hey, is this a rock singer? Is this an R&B singer? What I hear is he's a melodic rapper. So I want to open up this and go to user channel search settings and go to Melodic Sauce. So Melodic Sauce is made for melodic singers and rappers. Maybe it was a different genre that I didn't know. I would start off with Vocal Sauce because we made Vocal Sauce for every genre. Vocal Sauce has been tested on every single genre to work. But Melodic Sauce is more for these new age melodic singers and rappers. And we want to open up this eye as well so we can see the plugins right here. A vocal preset is a chain of plugins. So let's go through this.
Baby, welcome to the party. Seeing straight, baby Harley. I'll be sipping on Bacardi. Looking at your body. Party. Seeing straight, baby Harley. I'll be sipping on Bacardi. Looking at your body. Wanna ride me like a Harley. Wanna ride me like a Harley.
Alright, so I like Aquaman. The first one usually works. It's crazy. All we're going to do is set the auto-tune key. So the key of the beat is F minor. So we open up this pitch correction or auto-tune of choice. And we're going to set this to minor. And we're going to set this to F. So let's see what we got.
Come to the party. Seeing straight, baby Harley. I'll be sipping on Bacardi.
Alright, so this question mark is just because the art's not there. So you can just literally put a piece of art right there and it replaces it. The cool thing about these presets is not only can you record with them, but you can also be like, hey, I really like the sound. How did he get that? So you can start reverse engineering to learn how to audio engineer. So you'd be like, I love this preset. Now I want to go through every single plugin and learn how he got that sound with that preset. And then you start teaching yourself, oh my gosh, when I want that sound, I know to use these plugins and these settings. But now it's like, how can I make it sound good on a phone and a car and all that? That process is called mastering. That's why with every vocal preset pack, we usually release mastering chains with it, because it goes hand in hand. Mixing is you're focused on the individual track like a vocal, and you see how these plugins are set there. Now mastering is gluing the whole song together and making it loud as possible without making it sound bad. All right, so we can go to this setting. We can go to master chains or melodic master chains, and you can click all you need.
Come to the
and you want to go to the loudest part where the bass is.
Harley, welcome to the party. Seeing straight, baby Harley. I'll be sipping on Bacardi. Looking at your body. She wanna ride me like a Harley. She wanna ride me like a Harley. Welcome to the party. Seeing straight, baby Harley. I'll be sipping on Bacardi. Looking at your body.
So I really like that mastering chain. And the main thing you want to look at is open up this loudness meter, and you want to open up this add limiter. And you're going to want to increase or decrease this gain knob until it's hitting at this yellow line, which I have tested on so many famous songs out there on the radio. And an average they get to is a -9.
Welcome to the party. Seeing straight, baby Harley.
So we got a little bit of room to go. We can increase a bit.
Welcome to the party. Seeing straight, baby Harley. I'll be sipping on Bacardi. Looking at your body. She wanna ride me like a Harley. She wanna ride me like a Harley. Welcome to the party. Seeing straight, baby Harley. I'll be sipping on Bacardi. Looking at your body. She wanna ride me like a Harley.
And as you can see, I'm leveling out the vocal. I'm just turning it down a little bit.
Welcome to the party. Seeing straight, baby Harley. I'll be sipping on Bacardi. Looking at your body.
While I love mixing from scratch sometimes, it's a way to save time and discover new sounds for new songs. So every song that you make, you don't want to use the same old mix because then your songs get stale. I really suggest every time you make a new song, try a bunch of different presets. Not only use our presets, use other people's presets. Use free presets, use paid presets, whatever you want. Don't just use ours. But we have a lot of vocal preset packs out there. We have free presets, we have free templates, we have paid presets, we have paid templates, and we can go through any pack. Vocal Sauce, I bet Vocal Sauce sounds good as well.
Welcome to the party, seeing straight, baby Harley. I'll be sipping on Bacardi, looking at your body.
So we found a preset that works in there. We can go to Vocal Sauce Volume 2.
Welcome to the party, seeing straight, baby Harley. I'll be sipping on Bacardi, looking at your body. She wanna ride me like a Harley.
We can go to Melodic Sauce Volume 2.
Welcome to the party, seeing straight, baby Harley. I'll be sipping on Bacardi, looking at your body. She wanna ride me like a Harley. She wanna ride me like a Harley. Welcome to.
We can say, hey, we don't want stock plugins. I want to use Studio Rack from Waves. Well, we have those covered as well. So we can go to Waves, find Studio Rack, open this up. Studio Rack can be used on all music software. That's why we love it. We can go to Waves Melodic Sauce.
Welcome to the party, seeing straight, baby Harley. I'll be sipping on Bacardi, looking at your body. She wanna ride me like a Harley. She wanna ride me like a Harley. Welcome to the party, seeing straight, baby Harley. I'll be sipping on Bacardi, looking at your body.
So this can be used on all softwares. The difference is you have to buy these plugins externally from waves.com or use our link down below. I like using both, guys. I really like stock plugin presets because of the ease, and I think stock plugins are great. And I also like using Waves plugins. Sometimes use presets, sometimes start from scratch. Sometimes the root of all problems starts with your mic. Maybe you shouldn't be investing into presets. Maybe you should save up for a better quality mic that suits your vocal. So comment down below what's your favorite preset pack and why. Make sure to smash that like button. And if you have any questions at all about vocal presets or mixing, please comment them down below and we will answer every single comment. And I will see you guys next time. Peace.